Alright, this is my 1997 4-cylinder automatic Nissan hardbody d21. So the brake booster is right here. There's usually a line here that's corroded out, and what I do is I replaced it. And you can right along there, take the bracket out, and you can zip tie it right along down inside there. The size line I used was it's like 11/32, but it's a reinforced line. Fits a little snug, but that's perfect. So what I did is I took a little bit of I had alcohol rubbing pads like out of the first aid kit that I like to use, and what I do is I wipe a little bit on there, and what that does is that acts like a lubricant, and the nipple slides on. I mean the hose slides on the nipple, and then of course the alcohol evaporates quickly. So and then I was able to use the factory wing clamps, and it routes down there. So also got rid of the massive amount of battery build up here, and I just went with the simple clean harness. So that's about it. New cap and rotor. Not the old one was that bad, so but everything helps, so that's it.